Hello guys, welcome to Khan's CAD Academy. Today we are here with another tutorial. One of our subscribers want this part to be made in Solidworks, and today we'll make the tutorial to how to make this part. Okay, we will open the Solidworks. We'll go to New File, click OK. As we got the new file, we'll start our project with the right plane and go to the sketch. Click on the sketch command. We are now perpendicular to the right plane. Now we'll start the part from this one. Okay, to make this initial portion we will need dimension 45 and 45 and the height 9, so we will make a rectangle of 45 into 9. Okay, let's start it with a line. Okay, a line of 45 and a line of 9. Okay, so now we will give it smart dimension. We need this 45. Okay, and we need this one 9. Okay, so this is we got. These are the required lines. These are the required lines. Now we know that there's an 8-degree angle between this top line and this bottom, so we'll make a line again by we are selecting the line command by using the keyboard L key. Okay, we'll make a random line. Random line. Now with help of dimension we'll choose this angle to be 8-degree. Okay, the required angle. Now we'll extend this line here by choosing the extend entities. Click on this line and it will be extended. Now using the trim entities we will trim the extra line. Okay, now we got this structure. As we got our structure, our initial part, our initial sub part. Okay, this one. So now we'll extrude this up to about 34 meters. We'll go to the features, the extrude. We'll type here 34. Click OK, and we got the required thing. Okay, now we can change the view by going to display and shade it with edges. Okay, I like this view. Okay, now go to the fillet and we will fillet these about 5 meters. Okay, we click OK. We got all this. Okay, now we got this fillet also. Now we will be making the upper portion, this portion, for which we need to some references. Okay, so we will try to take out these references from the given drawing. So for that we need a reference geometry of a plane, and we need a plane, and this plane will be about 15 meters. Okay, it's okay, 2 meters. We also need another plane, and which will be about in the center. So center this one. Okay, we got these things. Now we'll start our sketch on this plane, middle plane. We'll make it perpendicular by clicking this. We will take some reference lines now to get our required dimension or required place. Okay, required reference. So we will use the L command and we will make this 15. Okay, now we will use the L command to go to the height, required height, which is about 35. Okay, 35, 35. Okay, this is now 35. Okay, now as we give it a 35 length, now we need to draw this circle, that is radius of 25 circle. We got a circle command and we will draw a circle of 35. Okay, 35 radius. Sorry, what's the problem here? That's 25, sorry, 25. Okay, now we will draw a line tangent to it. Okay, so this is the required point here. Sorry, we'll undo it also. The 25 and draw a tangent here on this line. Okay, okay, we got this line. Okay, now we will start this sketch from here, and it is about 18 in length. 18 in length. Okay, 18 plus this radius is about 10, so it's about 28 length. Okay, we will use the length command to move 28. Okay, 28, and then go downward. Okay, and make the sketch close. So we want to here. We'll again make the sketch here. Okay, now we will trim all the extra stuff we made. Okay, we must get rid of these things. Now we will extrude this like 10 on 10 on both sides. 10 on one side, 10 on the other side. Click OK. Now we will use the fillet command for filleting, which is about 10. Okay, 10 radius. Yes. So guys, we got this upper portion now. Okay, now we mirror this part. Okay, we'll use the mirror command. Click on the mirror, select the mirror face. This is the plane which we previously created. This will be used as a mirror plane. Now we'll select bodies to mirror. We'll uncheck the mud solid. Click on the knit surfaces and full preview. Click on this, so we get a mirror. So we got the mirror on both sides now. Okay, we should save our geometry. I'm going to stop. Okay, now we'll move further with other parts. Okay, now we will move further with the drawing and go to sketch on this plane, make it perpendicular. Okay, now we'll choose the dimensions. We'll mark the center point. Okay, as we previously did. Go to the center. And draw this 35 point. Okay, so this is center. Now we'll draw a circle here of 25. Okay, so 25. Now we will draw tangent lines. Okay, and we'll trim the extra lines. Okay, now we trim the extra lines. Now we will extrude this. Okay, we extrude this, and we will also make the slot, which is at about 5 minutes. Okay, we'll go to convert entities. We will convert this entity, this entity, this and this. So we don't need to draw a sketch. Now the extra things we will trim them. We will left only this line, again this line. Okay, we'll only put this and these lines. Now we'll take offset of this line for about 5. Sorry. Okay, we will take an offset on just for this line. Okay, so into line. Okay, and we make a 5 offset. Okay, and make our sketch. Okay, now we will trim the extra lines as we don't need them. Okay, we will line this. Okay, now we will go and see the dimension, how much we want to extrude it. Sorry, we will extrude this for about 30, 15 on one, 15 on the other side. So go to extrude command, 15 on one side and 15 on the other side. Okay, so we got this thing. So we are moving towards the accomplishing the task. Okay, and sorry for the sound of the barking dogs. I'm really sorry. These are stray dogs. Okay, so please ignore these sounds kindly. Now we'll do a fillet to this edge, and this is about 2. Okay, with the dimension, and let's see what happens. Sorry. I'm really sorry. Yeah. Okay, so we got this fillet. Now we got this fillet. Now let's see, let's move further. So we want some new dimensions. So the inner circle is about 40 diameter. So we'll go to sketch and sketch on this plane. Okay, we'll use the circle command, and let's get the center of this thing. Okay, this is about 40. Okay, so let's go at 40. Yeah, 40 is the diameter, so 20 will be the radius. Okay, we got this circle. We'll now go to the extrude cut command. Okay, sorry, and we'll extrude cut it, and we'll click here up to the next. Okay, and click OK. We got this thing. Okay, now we have to do this 45 degrees fillet and 1.5 length. Okay, so let's go to the fillet command, sorry, so to the chamfer command. We click on this, but we will use, yeah, we are using angle and distance, and this distance is about 1.5. okay, and the degree is 45. Okay, we also select this, sorry, this edge. So we got this thing right now. Okay, we got this thing, as you can see in the drawing. Okay, we got this both ends. Okay, we'll save the drawing. Now what's our next move? Now we are going to make the inner part. Okay, so let's go and sketch on the center plane, this one. Okay, and we'll draw a circle. Okay, a circle about 23 radius, as we are given a 46, as we are given a 46 diameter, so we'll use a 23 radius. Okay, that's the logic. Now as we have drawn this, now we will extrude cut on both sides. Now extrude cut can be used, the dimension is given, that is 8. Okay, so as we are in the center, we will use 4 and 4 on both sides. So let's have a 4 here, and in the direction 2, let's have a 4 here. Okay, now we'll go and, so guys, the inner cut is also now visible to you people. We almost done there. Now we will make this hole. Okay, and for which we are we need to the dimension are given. So we'll again prefer start with this center line, and we'll sketch on it. Okay, we will make the angle first. The angle is about, okay, we'll verify this angle to be 30 degrees. Okay, we'll go to smart dimension and write 30 here. Okay, now we got this. We will make this in the direction of 30 degrees. Okay, now as we got our point, okay, so can stick it to here, stick it to here. Okay, we got the sketch. Now we need the dimension of these. This is in the 30. Okay, 30, a distance of about 30. This is 30 and this is 25, so it means this width will be about 5. Yeah, this is about 5. Okay, so this is about 5. Okay. So let's go for it. We can use So we'll try to define a plane here. Okay, we'll go to the geometry. We'll first define an axis on the center or reference axis. Okay, the center. Now we'll define a plane. We will try to rotate this plane on a 30 degrees along the axis. Okay, now let's rotate this thing. We need a second reference. So what we would do, we would take a second reference. Okay, let's take a second reference and wait a second. Sorry. So we click on this geometry plane, this plane, and we click on the angle. We'll give a 330 angle, this one. Okay, so we got this plane. Now it's on the center, and as we see, this distance is about 30. We will again need another plane 30, which is which is about 30 inches. Okay, so we got this plane. Okay, now we will go to sketch on this plane. Now we'll make it perpendicular. Make it perpendicular. And sometimes it happens. We don't have to worry about it. Okay, we have a rotate command here. Okay, so let's draw this circle. Okay, the bigger circle is about 12 diameter. 12 diameter. This circle is 12 diameter, so we'll take a 6 degree radius. Okay, let's sketch on this. So now we must take a reference here. Okay, so we got this circle. Okay, to the reference we already made this line. Okay, now we will extrude this and go to extrude command, and we'll use up to the next, so it will be extruded to the next. Okay guys, now again go to sketch and sketch here. Now we need 5, so we will 5 diameter, so 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5. so we'll take a circle of 2.5 radius here. 2.5 radius. Okay, go to the surface. We got this extrude cut, guys. Okay, let's take the section view so that we can have an idea. Okay, Wait. Sorry. This one. Now we'll select the plane. This one. This one. Yeah. So guys, I guess we got the idea. Now you can compare the drawing if it's fine or not. Okay, and I guess it's fine, but the extrusion must be up till here. Okay, so you can amend this. Sorry. Yeah, you are supposed to edit this extrude cut and sorry to the surface. We'll delete this face. We'll select this inside face now. Okay, now it's the thing we want. Okay, you can look at simply that we got the exact line. Okay, so I guess this is the required drawing. Just mentioned in the drawing. Okay, so I hope you liked the tutorial, and now if you want to make the views, so make drawing from this, click OK. Yeah, you can choose this standard sheet size. You can drag this and then make views from this. Okay, now you can get section views, we can get all the views. Okay, let's take a section view, cut this section, this one. Let's see what section we are cutting. So let's click on this 3 standard views. Okay, sorry. You got this one. Yeah, we want the top view. Okay, so you can change the views here. Okay, can show the hidden lines here. Okay, now we will go to the other views, the top view. You can show the hidden lines. Okay, you got the sheet. You can do the dimensioning annotation. Okay, like this. Okay, you can dimension all the things you want like this. Okay, and so this is how it's done. Okay, you can have all these views and dimension by this. Okay, I hope you like the tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give thumbs up to the video. Okay, okay guys, peace out.